Meet Justin Lee, the executive chef at Snoqualmie Casino. And Tristan Chalker, the executive chef at Salish Lodge. They both love what they do and where they work.
It's my name on it, and at the end of the day, I want to make the guest happy, and I want them to have an unforgettable experience so that we have them come back, whether it be to the Salish or to Snoqualmie Casino.
I like to call us Northwest Lodgy, but upscale. Very simple, rustic food, presented organically in nature, kind of like you just dropped it on a plate. It's much more organic and just kind of flows. And that's kind of what we do here.
But today isn't an average day at work. They are both fired up for a little in-house cook-off to see who is a cut above the rest. Tristan, true grit and creative in the kitchen. Justin, a ton of experience and confidence.
I feel like he's he has not much experience doing these, so he may freeze up, might be the deer in the headlights kind of moment for him.
Oh, Justin, huh? It's like that? All right, well, all that culinary school that you did and me not having any, we'll see who wins.
So you're pretty confident?
Oh yeah, very.
With the tough talk out of the way, it was time to get busy. Neither chef knowing what they were getting into. The rules? They only have 30 minutes to turn a box full of mystery ingredients into a delicious dish. We start with Justin at Snoqualmie Casino.
All right, Justin, here we go. Here is the secret box with all the ingredients.
All right.
Take a look, and then you got to get cooking.
All right, let's do it. All right.
So what do you have in there?
Looks like I got some potatoes, purple potatoes. Looks like I got sunchoke.
A sunchoke? Have you even heard of a sunchoke before?
I have heard of a sunchoke. This looks like possibly lingcod or rockfish or something along those lines.
It's a rockfish.
Rockfish, all right.
Okay, there's one more thing. I got to give you this right here. This is kind of our secret ingredient. These are Sour Patch Kids.
Okay.
You have to use a handful in your dish.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
You ready to get busy?
Let's do it.
You got 30 minutes.
Okay.
All right, start the timer.
Justin didn't waste any time, starting with the Sour Patch Kids, combining the sweet and tangy candy with the rockfish.
And what are you doing with the Sour Patch Kids?
I'm gonna cook them down and see what they taste like with a little bit of heat on them. I'll just use you said a handful. Let's use the whole bag.
Hey, Justin, your Sour Patch Kids aren't melting at all.
No, they're not.
They're not at all. You got to turn the heat up.
Maybe. I didn't want to burn.
Sour Patch Kids aside, Justin was bouncing all around in the kitchen. It was intense, but he's a pro.
So, Justin, you're at the 15-minute mark. That means you're halfway home. How are you doing? You on schedule?
I think I'm all right. Might be trying to do a little more than I should be, but...
Those potatoes are looking good.
Yeah, I think I'll do like a little purple potato chip kind of thing.
Time is flying in the kitchen, with bell peppers and the sunchoke still needed to be included.
You asked for the time, Justin?
Yeah, what's the time?
All right, you got 10 minutes left. You're 2/3 of the way through the competition. How you doing?
I'm feeling all right, actually. I think we're almost done.
Are you sure you still got to cook the fish?
That fish takes seconds.
You got it. All right, brother, you ready? You got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes, that's it.
That's it?
Yes.
All right.
Are you on track?
I think so.
Are you losing a little confidence?
No, that's not possible for me. I don't think so.
In go the fish.
I have enough confidence for Tristan and I.
How's it looking?
I cut it a little close.
You are cutting it real close, dude. You are at 1 minute right now, and you still have to plate it. 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Justin, you're at 30. You got 30 seconds to go. That's it. And then the clock stops and your competition is over. You adding smoke?
Adding some smoke.
15 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow it out. All right. Hands up. 30 minutes. Woo! Look at that thing right there. Very nice. Whoa. How you feeling on that?
I'm sweating under this mask.
All right. Let's go try this. All right. Here we go.
All right.
So how'd the competition go?
I felt it went pretty good.
It did?
I cut it a little close, but overall I felt like it went pretty well.
All right. Well, this presentation's phenomenal. Can I try it?
Yeah, let's go for it.
All right, here we go. Wow, look at that. That's an A+ presentation. And no smoke and mirrors back there, right?
That's exactly right.
All right, here we go. You know what I really liked is when you took the Sour Patch Kids and you blended them with the balsamic vinegar. That was just ingenious, I thought.
Yeah, I took the peppers and made like a taco harissa with it, and then the purple potatoes I made like a crumb out of it, a purple potato chip. The sunchokes I made like a little sunchoke, just crema on the bottom, steeped in some cream, and just let those cook. And the fish I kind of just let it go. You know, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then the apricot salad has the Sour Patch Kid dressing on it. I cut that down with some acidity to cut that sour, sweet flavor.
I'm really anxious to try this. I mean, it looks good. It smells delicious. That's excellent.
Thank you.
I can't believe that you did that in 30 minutes with all those crazy ingredients. Tristan has his work cut out.
Yes, he does.
Okay, we're all wrapped up here at Snoqualmie Casino, but we are just getting warmed up. We're going to head over to Salish Lodge just a couple of minutes from here and hand this mystery box of ingredients to Tristan, the chef, and see what kind of magic he can come up with. Over at Salish Lodge, Tristan was ready to go and feeling pretty calm about the competition. All right, Tristan, here's your mystery box. You have 5 ingredients in here. Take a look. This is the secret ingredient. You have to add Sour Patch Kids in your meal here.
You're a sick person. But I can do this.
Start the clock. You got 30 minutes. You're on the clock.
All right, let's go.
Tristan was off and running, trying to turn those crazy ingredients into something seriously tasty.
So what I'll do is probably boil these guys and make a little salad. I'm not quite sure about the Sour Patch Kids. I might try and make some kind of tropical thing. That's probably where I'm gonna go with this dish.
Did you know what a sunchoke was?
I did know what a sunchoke was. The root of a certain kind of sunflower, and they are delicious. They taste just like an artichoke heart.
Oh, you're at the halfway point right now.
Easy.
How you doing, Justin? You got a lot of fire going here, buddy. Got a lot of fire, a lot of things boiling.
Yeah, well, you gotta have fire to cook, so that's what I'm going with. Guard, how much time do I got?
You got 6.5.
6.5. Well, that's wonderful. Little chef trick right here that you fine folks at home might want to learn how to do. And it's butter basting your seafood. Fat equals flavor.
You got $1.30 left.
$1.30,
left.
that's so much time. All right, go in with our salad.
1 minute warning.
1 minute, Herd.
1 minute warning.
You're good at making me feel pressure, Guard.
30 seconds.
30 seconds, Herd.
You got 10 seconds.
10 seconds, Herd.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. There you go. Nice. Now, you know what comes next, Tristan? I have to try that in about 1 minute.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right.
Hey, Tristan, okay, this is the final product, right?
This is it, Guard. Yes, sir. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
So tell me about all of this.
So, you have a little Peruvian purple potato and sunchoke salad. Your tricky little sour patches are in the beurre blanc. And you have butter-basted rockfish on top.
All right, I'm going to try the fish first. It's got a little sourness to it, a little sweet.
Yeah.
Really savory. Mm-hmm. Wow, great job incorporating that.
Thank you.
And then I got to try your potatoes here. You know what I love about that right out of the gate? They're crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
They're not soft. Dude, those are money. But you know what I need right now? I need some time to think.
All right. Well, thank you, Guard.
While I contemplated the winner on a full belly, Justin made his way back to Salish Lodge, a little less stressed out than when I first saw him. All right, Tristan, Justin, I was contemplating for minutes and minutes and minutes. I finally came up with a solution. Your guys' execution in the kitchen was tremendous. The appearance and the display was beautiful. And for me, it all came down to taste, right? For most people. And I have to admit, the winner will be
Both of you guys. I can't pick a winner. It's a tie. There you go.
Nice job, brother.
Good
Nice job.
guys. Wonderful work. And the last thing is, get back to the kitchen.
Yes.
I know, there shouldn't be a tie in a cooking competition. But to be honest, it's a win-win situation when you experience Snoqualmie Casino and Salish Lodge for a Northwest getaway. And when it comes to food, everyone is a winner.
Our tribe takes a lot of pride in both the properties, and you can tell just by walking into either one of them. But be able to come up and have the dining options between Salish and here, and then the awesome hospitality at both proproperties is incredible. It's nothing, you can't get that experience anywhere else in Seattle.